uranium strong. Uranium producers are stronger. What's really strong? The guys supplying the pick and shovels. People like ASPI, others like LEU. Let's take a look at some of these stocks. I mean, these stocks are really strong. First of all, I would call your attention to the ABCD structures. ABCDs, in the way that we've defined them, have fairly high probabilities of completion, especially when they're nested, and that's what you have now. You have nested ABCDs. Here on the short term, you're looking at 10 and a half, 11 on the long term, 16 on the intermediate. This long term is fixing to set up another ABCD nested to the top side that's going to take it up to around 15, 20. So, ASPI, if it breaks out, there's your swing point high. Let me clear this up. Let's go back in and look at the weekly. Here's your weekly breaking out, right? It's already broken out. So if you break out on the monthly, you've already broken out on the weekly. Look over here, you just broke out on the daily. This thing's breaking out on all time frames. When it breaks out on all time frames, hitting new high, no left-hand resistance, you can just keep going. This is a solid pick if you want to get into something that has a lot of potential going forward. And there's others. If I look at LEU, Centrus Energy, here's a energy company that's just knocking it on all cylinders. They supply the nuclear fuel components, and these are the picks and shovel type things. And they're producing. They're actually working. They're working well. LTBR. Here's another one. These guys, nuclear fuel and enrichment. All of these structures, look at the volume coming in on these things. All of these have broken out topside, broken out on all time frames, threatening to break out again, and all of them have huge ABCD. Look at all the ABCD structures confirmed and potential. These are massive moves that are in play and are going to continue to push this stock higher. If you go to the SMR innovation type setting, OKLO, right? Lots of volume coming into these, trying to break out on all time frames again. The VST, Vistra, same thing, going up, going to hit the highs. Folks, I can't tell you how strong these stocks are. They keep showing up on my weekly reports, showing me that they've had extreme strength. Here it is here. Of all the sectors that I'm watching, these are coming in number 3 right now on a 4-week change. Very strong, all across the board. So, if you're looking for some solid action, something that's going to keep you in the game and probably offer some good upside potential for another 6 months or so at least, take a look at these names. If you like what you see, please give me a like, hit the subscribe buttons, and get your notifications, and I will keep bringing these to you. Have a great one. Take care.